Blackpink Jennie is restarting her solo music career under her music label, Atelier, with Slow Motion. The K-pop icon dropped her debut song, Solo, in November 2018. After a few more singles in 2023, Jennie is gearing up for her comeback with Matt Champion. Matt Champion and Jennie have been teasing the new song for days with several hints. As per reports, Jennie and Matt's new song Slow Motion will be featured in the rapper's new album. The drum and bass track features a minimalistic arrangement where Jennie's dreamlike vocals help create the mood of an idyllic atmosphere. Slow Motion foot Matt Champion. Release date revealed. Blackpink Jennie and Matt Champion's new track Slow Motion will drop worldwide on March 8 at 12 a.m. Eastern Time /2 p.m. KST /5 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, 7 a.m. Central European Time. The track's release date was unveiled through the official poster, where a little girl is trying to reach out to a black circle filled with letters. Alongside the poster, Jennie and Matt previously shared sneak peeks of the song, in which the hitmaker sings, "Try upside down, /you are my escape, a reality, /you know what you mean to me, /cause I am leaning on my way, /making my heart cry," while Jennie's first hit single, Solo, was about uplifting energy and embracing the solo life, fans believe. Slow Motion will reveal a more romantic side of the singer. Meanwhile, Jennie's Solo remains a crucial milestone of the singer's career as it made new history for K-pop solo music. Solo peaked simultaneously at Korea's JN Digital Chart and the US Billboard World Digital Songs. The single's music video crossed over 1 billion views on YouTube, making her the first female K-pop soloist to achieve this feat. Another track by the singer, One of the Girls, also made history, charting at number 51 on the Billboard Hot 100. One of the Girls also featured hit singer The Weeknd and actress Lily Rose Depp. After establishing her label Atelier, Slow Motion will be Jennie's first musical release. The singer will promote her future solo endeavors through her exclusive brand. The excitement of witnessing Jennie's new era is off the roof.